Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language in your Zoom events. Watch the video till the end. To change your language in Zoom events, firstly open your Google search. Type in Zoom events and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account and tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Among the options, tap on Manage Profile. On the next page, click on Settings and Notifications. Scroll down to the preferred language. Here you can choose the language you want, and that is how you can change your language in your Zoom events quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.